Has your claim for VA disability benefits been denied? Well, you're not alone. More than 1 out of every 3 disability applications are denied. But you have the right to file an appeal, and you also have the right to have an attorney represent you. Qualifying for VA disability benefits is hard, even though as a veteran, you served your country and you earned your benefits. The VA has complicated rules and procedures to qualify. It can be confusing. That's where we can help. We regularly produce fresh video content to help you untangle the ever-changing VA process. To stay in the know, hit the subscribe button. To appeal your denial, a hearing is not required, but it is an option. You can request a hearing if you want to provide testimony to a judge about your appeal. You can also specify the type of hearing you want. There are 3 main types. The first and most common is a video conference hearing, which is a virtual hearing from a local VA office, your attorney's office, or even your own home from an internet-connected device. Less common is a travel board hearing, where a judge travels to your local VA office. And if you can be in Washington, D.C., you can request the third type of hearing, an in-person hearing at the Board of Veterans' Appeals. The virtual option is usually the fastest. To request a hearing, you or your attorney will need to file a decision review request to the Board of Appeal, which is VA Form 10182. The Board of Veterans' Appeals schedules hearings in the order in which they receive requests. You'll get a notice in the mail at least 30 days before your hearing is scheduled. It will let you know the date and time of the hearing and where it's located. At your hearing, you'll speak with a veteran law judge. You will be sworn in and be able to explain your case, which you'll be able to provide testimony, introduce new evidence, and clarify facts. The judge will ask questions about your service and your condition. All of this is aimed at helping the VA decide your appeal. It will not be like a trial you see on TV. The hearing is an informal, non-adversarial conversation. After the hearing, you have up to 90 days to submit additional evidence. The hearing will be transcribed and added to your appeal file. The judge will review all the evidence and testimony and render one of 3 decisions to grant your disability benefits, deny your appeal, or remand. That is, send your claim back to the VA for reconsideration. The judge will provide a written explanation of their decision. It's advantageous to have an accredited VA attorney in your corner for your appeal. The VA's own statistics from the Board of Veterans' Appeals show that in fiscal year 2024, nearly 43% of appeals were approved when there was attorney representation, compared to less than 30% without representation. For a free evaluation of your case and advice on your specific situation, contact us at Cuddigan Law. We are accredited VA disability attorneys who have been supporting veterans for years. If you hire us to fight for your rights, we only get paid when you win your case.